All right, let's talk about something that pretty much any business in Africa, whether you're a tiny startup or a big established company, has to deal with: finding the right financial expert. It can honestly feel like looking for a needle in a haystack, right? Well, today we're diving into a platform called Acubta that's trying to fix that exact problem. It's all about connecting expertise with opportunity. So let's get into it.
And really, when you get down to it, the core issue is something we can all relate to: trust. I mean, you're looking for someone to trust with your finances. That's a huge deal. The stakes couldn't be higher. Just think about it for a second. The last time you needed, say, a bookkeeper or a tax pro, where did you even start? For most people, it's this super stressful blur of endless Google searches and asking around for referrals, just crossing your fingers and hoping that a random recommendation actually pans out.
And that old way of doing things? It's just packed with uncertainty. You're doing these blind searches, getting referrals that might not be the right fit for your specific needs. And a lot of the time, there's zero transparency on things like quality or even pricing. It's a total recipe for wasted time. And even worse, it can lead to some really bad financial decisions that can seriously hurt a business.
But what if you could just skip all that uncertainty? What if you didn't have to guess anymore? Well, that's exactly the idea behind creating a modern, central marketplace for financial services. And that's where Acubta comes in. So what is it? It's basically an online platform that connects you with a whole network of verified financial pros. We're talking accountants, auditors, tax experts, all from across the continent. And the mission here is really simple: replace all that guesswork with some actual certainty.
Okay, so how does this thing actually work if you're someone who needs help? Well, the good news is the whole process is designed to be super straightforward. It's all about the user.
It really just boils down to 3 simple steps. First up, you browse and compare. You can search for the exact type of expert you're looking for, look at their detailed profiles, and this is a total game changer. You can read verified reviews from other businesses. Then, step 2, you chat securely right there on the platform to make sure they're a good fit for you. And finally, you hire with confidence. You can book their services and manage everything from one single, organized place. But here's the thing, it's not just about helping businesses find experts. For a platform like this to really work, it's got to be a two-way street. It has to create real value for everyone involved. So let's break that down. On one side, you've got businesses and individuals. They get instant access to experts who've already been vetted, which saves a ton of time and honestly leads to way better financial decisions. But then, on the other side, you've got the financial professionals. They get a direct pipeline to new clients, people who are actively looking for what they do. It gives them a platform to build up their credibility and grow their business without having to spend a fortune on marketing. So for the clients, it all circles back to that one word: trust. Because every single pro on the platform is verified, you know you're not just taking a gamble. You're getting qualified experts, you're getting easy-to-use tools that save you time, and you're getting all your financial needs handled in one single, reliable play. And what about for the professionals? Well, for them, Acubta becomes this powerful engine for growth. It lets them build a really credible online profile, connect with a steady stream of clients, and do it all with a subscription plan that actually fits their business. It's all about working smarter, not just harder, to find those new opportunities. So, when you take a step back and look at the big picture, you realize this is so much more than just a simple directory. It's really about building the vital connections that are going to power Africa's entire financial ecosystem.
And maybe the best way to picture it is as a bridge. Yeah, that's it. It's not just some marketplace, it's a crucial bridge that closes that gap between all the incredible financial talent across Africa and the businesses that desperately need that guidance to grow and, thrive.
So look, whether you're a founder searching for your very first accountant or you're a seasoned financial pro looking to grow your practice, it's probably worth checking out. You can see exactly how this all works for you.
And all of this really leaves us with one big question to think about. For ourselves and for our businesses, is your financial future connected to the right expertise? Because let's be honest, in today's world, having the right financial partner isn't just a nice little bonus. It is absolutely essential.